Morning, welcome to the next episode of the Chesterfield Canal restoration series that I'm doing. It's all about this at the moment, and that's the new Trans Pennine Trail bridge over what will be the new cutting of the Chesterfield Canal. But you know, if you've watched all the previous videos, you'll already know all about this already. So yesterday, the Chesterfield Canal Trust were meant to be taking delivery of the new bridge, the bridge that's on that poster there. They've got an area, I'll take you down, they've got an area just down there that's set aside. The bridge was going to be coming in a few parts. I think, is it Huddersfield it's been constructed at? And they was going to put the bridge together, and next week it's due to be lowered. It's due to be, not lowered, it's put on the supports. That'll take you around and show you what's going on there. So this is a kind of before video. Now I say it was due to be delivered yesterday because there's no sign of said bridge yet. Here is the said Trans Pennine Trail. Look, so you can see they're getting ready. They're putting in a new path. The trajectory straight in front there lines up perfectly with the bridge. So it's a week later now. Today's the delivery day of the different segments of the bridge. I wasn't quite sure exactly what time the bridge was arriving. Got here at 10 o'clock. It's already here. I thought I'd get some shots of it arriving on site, but not to be. Looks as though one of the halves of the bridge, because it's come in two sections, one of the halves of the bridge has already been unloaded. Not quite sure what the plan is. We've got one piece of the bridge off the lorry already that was on, it's like it was on some stands to the left here, and I think they're just turning it around or repositioning it before they, I'm assuming before they take that second span that's still sat on the lorry at the moment. So that's the first section down in place, ready for welding. Now they're going to have to move that second section right next to it. They're welding it in place, so it's a precision job. This, it's got to be perfect. There's no second go at this. It's got to be right, done right first time. Otherwise, it's not going to line up with all the bolts and all the fittings and the piers, etc. They're just getting ready now just to lift that second piece into position. After a bit of a pause, it looks like they're starting to move the second half of the span into position now next to the other one. Obviously they have to take the time, make sure they get everything right. Got a couple of angles covered. Got the old GoPro just attached to the fence, just trying to capture some time-lapse footage. And I've got the drone just over there, keeping well away from the work site. Just trying to get some footage from the air, because it's not a great location to try and film in. It's they're doing the work in that gully, so it's not the most optimum to film what's going on, unfortunately. That's where the drone comes in handy, but obviously we'll do it responsibly. Not going to be going anywhere near that crane or anywhere near anything that they're doing down there. So that's the second span airborne now. So it looks like they've just lifted it a few feet and now they're just gonna remove the lorry from underneath it. Up it goes. So it's been craned now onto the platform next to the other one. In the next few days, they'll weld it together, paint the joint over the weld, get everything else ready. Ready in position for a lifting next week, hopefully, weather dependent. There's the first view looking straight onto the bridge, look. That's what it'll look like. Right, so that'll be lifted into place next Tuesday or Wednesday, weather dependent. But keep your eyes peeled on the Chesterfield Canal Trust website, and they'll publishing on there when it's which day it's definitely going to be going ahead. There'll be plenty of people here, I'm sure, to watch that. Before I go, I'm just going to go and have a quick peek while I'm here at the Staveley Waterside development, because I noticed when I just had a quick look with the drone earlier from over there, I noticed there was quite a bit more than when I was here last week. We'll go and see what's going off there. So that's the end of the canal now, isn't it? Look at a great shot with the crane in the background. Won't be long before that's no longer at the end of the canal. From one building site to another. Lots of activity going on here. Look, you can see there's steel framework going up and going up for the building. A couple of diggers as well around. I could see the crane from over in the distance when I was stood on top of those old railway bridges. It looks like it's being taken down now. Cranes, diggers, workmen. It's just great to see so much stuff going off, so much progress being made. I know which site I'm more excited about, and that's the Trans Pennine Trail bridge. I can't wait for next week. Right, cheers for watching this update video. As always, thanks to all my channel members, anyone who buys me a coffee, anyone who sends me a super thanks. Really looking forward to next week, like I've just been saying. Cheers for watching, take care, we'll see you soon.